Hi everyone. How are you doing today on this Friday? I am here with another ride tutorial. Okay, so today, got my hair back. We're going to do one for today. So I'm going to start from the back. Okay. So here we go. Let's start again. So I'm going to make my little two ends. As you can see, got my 1, 2. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna do the little bun. We're gonna do the bow today. So we're gonna make a bow. Okay. Like this. I hope you guys enjoyed your week, because mine was awesome. Okay, so I'm going to take this little end here, and I'm going to tuck it in this little bow. Somewhere. Find anywhere to tuck it. Doesn't really matter. And I'm going to leave this hanging. But again, like I said in my other tutorials, with the bow, with the loop, any knot, loop, or bow, you can make that thing as big as you want, or you can kind of leave it to whatever size you want. So that's one piece right there. And then I'm going to do this one. So there. And then I'm going to do this other side of this bow. Okay. So, there you have it. That's one. You can see. That's one. All right. All right, that's one. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, and a lot of times when you're doing your hair wrap, if you have long hair or medium hair, how you have your hair styled is you can make your wrap kind of contour that. Like, okay, I have a bun, so we can make like a bun. I think I did this before, but I'll do it a little different this time. So, this is how I wore it today. Over my ears. Got my bun in the back. Okay. Alright. Everybody, I mean everybody should know how to do maybe a bun. So we're going to take that and tie it like that, okay? And then, let's do it again. Alright? And then we're going to take this end here. And we're going to, I want to stick it here. So the whole thing about wrapping is tying, tucking, and kind of using the little style. Using your, like your mirror to help you style the way you want to. Okay, so let me see here. So this one, I'm going to stick through here. And see, it came loose. So you got to really. So that's another one. Like that, okay. And then one more all-time big favorite. Okay. Kind of the same idea. Okay. Let's see. do one more and then that'll be it. Remember not to put it so tight to where you give yourself a headache, but you want it snug. So if you're talking to somebody, you don't want it to fall off, okay? So that's that. And I'm going to tie it one more time. Sister's calling, but I can't answer. So mother's going to have to answer her. Smooth. There she goes. She calling around. So we're going to wrap it around. Now, I hope you guys saw what I did, because you got to kind of be creative with this. Okay? So here's another one. And there you go. Voila. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.